Good morning, friends. Today it's Wednesday, 11th January 2023. In the last message given on 9th January, we had mentioned 17,924 as a critical support level, and yesterday's Nifty future low was 17,925 and returned 70 to 80 points twice from these levels. Nifty has made a swing low. It was a lower low at 17,774.25, which is a harmonic reversal level forecast by us. Then it made a higher high to 18,265. Then Nifty made a higher low to 17,808 and made lower high to 18,243. Now, Nifty made higher low again at 17,856 and is on the verge of forming a symmetrical triangle narrow range 14 pattern. Remember the adage, when patterns are broken, new worlds emerge. Nifty spot holding 17,878 and Nifty future holding 17,925 with ATP2 can long for target 1 18,052 for Nifty futures. If Nifty futures trades above 18,052 with ATP, expect target 2 18,235, target 3 18,427 and target 3 18,665 as potential positional harmonic targets. Now, for a few inferences. US dollar to INR pair, surprisingly, Indian rupee strengthened to 30 days best appreciation. True range was greater than 1.5 times of average true range. VIX appreciated appreciably by 5.87% to 15.51. Remember the thumb rule, VIX goes up at the turning points. 3. VIX is also known as the fear index, right? What is the fear now? 5. FIs had been net sellers in December 2022 to the tune of 14,231 crores in December, and in January 2023 too, they have sold approximately 7,000 crores plus in cash. In spite of such heavy and sustained selling by FIAs, if the markets fail to crash but makes 3 higher highs, naturally the fear is for the markets to reverse, right? 7. Now, here comes the USD INR. INR appreciating. A. 7A. Russia had announced ceasefire for 3 days of Christmas for the followers of Orthodox Church, which is as per the Julian calendar, right? And it falls on 7th January 2023. And there is no news of resumption of hostilities after 10th January. At least none of the prominent news channels reported big about this, right? 7B. China resumes its economic activity in full in spite of all-time highest surge in COVID. And this time, the impact of COVID had been mild without much of casualties. 7C. China resuming its economic activity means Russia can supply its crude just across its border next door, right? At deep discount, like it gives to India $30 less than the market price, it can give $20 less than the market price to China or $35 less than market price to China without the need to supply to Europe and USA. Correct? D. If China can get crude from Russia, then Russia gets stronger and can drag the Ukraine issue much longer. Correct? Without the need and obligation to supply crude to Europe and USA. That is what's the part. 7E. If Russia can supply to China at deep discount, then the Middle East loses its market's biggest share, the supply to China. Remember, China is among the top two biggest fuel guzzlers of the world. 7F, if the demand for USA shale gas comes down too. Remember, winter will come to an end in Europe and North America, maybe in next 45 days. And crude price crash too. It's called double whammy. Top line crashes and bottom line of shale producing companies go to deep red. That is, Middle East and shale producing USA companies will have to sell at less than their crude extracting cost, right? If the crude extracting cost is less than, say, around $50 per barrel, and they need to sell at $45 per barrel, and each day they sell around a million barrels. Million barrel into $5, they lose. Top line crashes and bottom line crashes, right? 7G. If the deep state is aware of the consequences of this and they'll be working overtime to find a solution for the Ukraine crisis. H. A sense of deja vu is prevailing, and it is the West that is looking for an honorable exit from the unnecessary mess it has created in Ukraine. Not only this, WTI crude below 72, USD INR below 81.5, 81. We get huge inflows of forex, VIX going up at the triple higher low, all indicates a reversal. Caveat, 17,878 Nifty spot and 17,878 Nifty futures ATP as stop loss reference point for the bulls. Hope I had given holistic view about the objective and subjective analysis for the short term. I will try to give a mid-term and long-term review when the markets cross the said levels. 1. Close below 17,878 with ATP, or a close above 18,665 with ATP. Till then, enjoy the roller coaster ride. Learn, plan the trade the plan, implement. Remember to trade with the edge, but trade at the edge to succeed. Wish you all success. Have a great trading day ahead. Take care.